Balling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Daddy showed us the roads, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, to giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again. I just wanted to show you guys one of the trucks that we just got back. It's a Peterbilt, a 389. It's been in the shop. Little things, had to fix some little things here and there. Nothing major. We were just getting them fixed. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the truck real quick. And yeah, quick walk around, what it looks like and what things we're gonna be doing to it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. Alright guys, this is the truck. Peterbilt 389, bright ass orange. As you can tell, it's missing the bumper because for some reason people like to back up into our trucks. It's like a sport for them. But yeah, we're gonna be picking up the bumper later on today. We're actually gonna go to 75 Chrome Shop, pick up a new bumper for it. And yeah, so that's gonna be coming very soon also. Go ahead and show you guys the truck. We're gonna be also switching out that, where's my finger? There you go. We're gonna be switching out that visor. This is more of the old style visors. We're gonna be switching it up to a different one, more new style one. I'm not gonna tell you which one yet. You're gonna have to wait and find out for that. We're gonna be switching that out for sure. Moving on over here, as you can tell, got some 8-inch stacks, miter cut. Some other things we're going to be doing to this truck is we're going to be cutting, we're going to be shortening these wings. We're going to go ahead and shorten them like the gray one. I'll show you that one right now. We did it to the other gray Peterbilt we have. We went ahead and shortened the wings, and we removed the step. We cleaned up the frame because you can tell it's pretty eaten up because this truck was from up north. And yeah, we did it to the gray Peterbilt. This one, the other one had 2 steps on each side. We removed those. We cleaned up the frame and we painted it to match the fenders. Again, I'll show you that in a bit. But we're gonna be doing the same to this one. We're taking off the step on this side, the AP unit on the other side. But yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up the frame and shortening these wings, put a new bumper, get a new visor, you know, a bunch of different things here and there, change up the truck a little bit. And we're thinking about, we want to do a color scheme on this truck, you know, like orange and something else, but we're not too sure on the color scheme yet. But whatever color we do choose, we want to end up painting the frame that color and all the wheel hubs, and we're going to be doing the dash inside also. So, and go ahead and show you the AP unit. There it is. It has they got made of some custom got it done. It came with the truck. They're all aluminum. Just needs to polish it because, as you can tell, not polished. But yeah, we're gonna be removing that also. Clean up the frame and removing that. We don't need none of that either. Go ahead and show you the interior right quick. Alright, that's all you get to see. Nah, just fucking with ya. Alright. Interior. There it is. Let me get in here. Rise quick. Oh, damn, it got dark. We're gonna be replacing this also because it's pretty faded already. But whatever color we choose to do the color scheme, like I said earlier, we're gonna be doing the dash, changing this also, because like I said, to color match it with the little accents here and there. But yeah, that's that. We're also going to be switching out this stereo to obviously an aftermarket one. That way we can put a system in here, because we have to have a system in all our trucks because we love our music. We like to be jamming down the highway. We're going to be making a custom speaker box underneath there. Obviously there's things under there right now. We're going to be removing those. We're making a custom speaker box because, like I said, we need a system. And we made one for the black W9. I'll go ahead and show you that also. But yeah, like I said, that was a quick walk around of the truck. We're going to be doing a lot of things to this truck really soon, so stay tuned for that. Another thing I also forgot to mention is the horns up. There you go. All the horns on top, we're going to remove them. We're going to relocate them. That way we clean up the top of the truck. Try to keep the truck nice and simple, clean as possible. So yeah. Anyways, let's take my glasses off. We made that speaker box to fit underneath here. They're 2.8 kicker. I don't know what kind of kickers they are exactly. They're like Comp R, I believe. But yeah, it fits perfectly under there, because as you guys know, there's no space for speakers anywhere else in the studio package truck or one with the studio sleeper, because you have the cabinets on each side and then the couch, and there's no space. So we made a custom box to fit underneath. That's what we're gonna be doing to the orange one as well, but I don't know how many speakers or what size, but yeah. All right, these are the wings that we cut, or my brother cut them actually. I wasn't here, I was at work. They go straight all the way to here, and they kind of go slightly with the sleeper. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing to the other one. Just wanted to show you real quick. And the frame also, don't mind the mess. He's currently doing something. But yeah, we cleaned it up and painted it red. It's a little dirty right now, as you can tell. It has grease stains, but nonetheless, yeah. So yeah, let us know what you guys think of the truck. If you guys have any ideas for the truck, let us know. And yeah, hope you guys liked it.